Get ready to take your dining room to the next level for 2025. We're about to reveal the top 10 must-have elements that will totally transform your space with style, function, and comfort. Let's jump right in. Uniform dining sets are being replaced by more creative seating styles. Pairing different chairs, whether by style, color, or material, adds a touch that makes your dining room feel more unique and less formal. Dining tables are going beyond traditional rectangular designs in 2025, with round, oval, and even asymmetrical shapes taking center stage. These bold and unconventional designs create a stunning focal point. Bold artwork is no longer just an accessory, but a centerpiece in 2025. Large paintings or a gallery wall can bring personality and conversation to your dining area. Eco-friendly smart lighting, like LED and solar-powered systems, is a must-have for dining rooms. These energy-efficient solutions let you easily control brightness, color, and timing, boosting both convenience and ambience. Multifunctional furniture is a must for modern dining rooms. Pieces like expandable tables and storage benches can adapt to different needs, from small family dinners to large gatherings. These exciting trends are just the beginning. If you're loving this content, make sure to subscribe for even more design inspiration, and don't miss out on our upcoming videos covering the hottest trends of the year. Whether it's a raw, unfinished look or a smooth, polished surface, natural wood tables are timeless and versatile, complementing both rustic and modern designs. Expandable and modular tables are perfect for 2025 dining rooms, offering flexibility for different occasions, from intimate meals to large gatherings. Technology is transforming dining rooms with smart lighting, thermostats, and sound systems that can be controlled via voice or apps. These features allow you to effortlessly set the perfect mood for any occasion. Blending modern and vintage elements is a top trend, adding layers and timeless charm to dining rooms. Sleek, contemporary pieces combined with antiques create a stylish, character-filled space. Open-concept dining rooms seamlessly connect with living spaces, creating a more social, airy feel, perfect for entertaining. Thank you for tuning in. Want to discover your perfect design style? Take our fun style quiz. The link is in the description. And don't forget to check out our latest video on bathroom trends for 2025 for even more inspiration. See you in the next one.